This is the new mixed double champion in the WTTC 2021. Can this mixed double replace Xin and Liu Shiwen? A powerful Chinese duo strive to win the mixed double championship. The powerful combination of Wang and Seng Yingsha proved decisive as the dynamic Chinese combo defeated Hina Hayata and Tomokazu Harimoto of Japan 3-2, 3-0, 11-2, 11-5, 11-8 to win the mixed double final. It was a victory that brought Chinese value since it waved the start of the new chapter for the Chinese partnership. We are overjoyed with this victory. This is only the beginning of a beautiful cooperation that we hope will bring us even more success in the years to come, Seng Yingsha said. The Chinese were rarely threatened by the Japanese, as their dominance at the table ensured a straight game victory, which Wang attributed to their good communication. We knew how to complement one another and had a good understanding of one another. Our strategy worked as intended, and we are very pleased with our victory today. We would like to thank our team and fans for their support, Wang stated.